Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, alhamdulillah, this is the end of the 12th week of construction and remodeling at Masjid Sunnah, Chicago, located at 5144 Main Street in Skokie, Illinois. Alhamdulillah, we have been working in the last 2-3 weeks, alhamdulillah, with the inside. Once the plumbing, the underground, the overhead, the electric, rough, the framing, all the inspections were approved, alhamdulillah, we continued with the inside work, drywall, patching, putting in the electric cabling throughout the conduits, all of that work, and alhamdulillah we were able to close these walls. I mean, in the bathrooms and the new bathrooms, we had these doors here for 3 stores. Since it has become one building, we only have one exit on the left for now, and we had to close these exits as they were coming in the bathrooms. So you can see, first we put the masonry block first we removed the door frame and door, and then we put the masonry block where you see on the middle door, and then we had to put the brick, relay the brick and do tuck pointing. So that's how it's done, alhamdulillah. This is complete, and then this is going to be done next week sometime, inshallah, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, we have put tile on the floor, alhamdulillah. All in the bathrooms, you can see tiles everywhere. There's this room here. Everything has tiles, alhamdulillah. The drywall is up everywhere, alhamdulillah. In the masjid area here, you can see all the drywall, wherever it needs to be patched, has been installed on all these pillars that hold the building. All of this is being done right now. The drywall is complete, I believe. You can see the electric wires being installed in all the conduits. You can see the second bathroom here. Also, before we go there, you see the drywall here has been installed. All of this is looking complete, alhamdulillah. So in the utilities room here, you know, all the tile work has been done, alhamdulillah. You can see this is the bathroom. This is that middle one where the bricks are left to do in the back. The bathroom tile work is done. See all this wiring sticking out. Guys are working, alhamdulillah. This is the other bathroom. All the tile work is done, alhamdulillah. Doors, this is the door that used to be a door. This opening is closed. Drywall installed on top of it. This is the other utility room. All of it is done, alhamdulillah. And you can see the wiring is going on this side as well. The electric wires are being installed to go into all these plugs. All on the ceiling, you can see the wires being installed everywhere, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So we are going forward, you know, with whatever we can as far as getting the masjid complete and get occupancy, inshallah, from the village of Skokie. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward all those brothers and sisters who are donating for the construction and opening of this masjid. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from them. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward them. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala include all these good deeds on their scales of good deeds Yawm al-Qiyamah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.